get started. Behind every great attempt, there's a great idea. And behind every great idea, there's a great person. Who deserves to commence today's session than the very person who gave birth to this idea, isn't it? She is a chartered electrical engineer by profession and currently working as the Deputy General Manager of Ceylon Electricity Board with over 37 years experience in the field. She's a Toastmaster since 2006 and was a pioneer in expanding Toastmasters outside Colombo and initiating a number of Toastmasters clubs across Sri Lanka. After serving all leadership positions in club level, area level, division level, district level, today she is at the helm of the district as the district directress. A passionate Toastmaster, a great leader, and a true inspiration to all of us. Please welcome on screen our very own district directress, distinguished Toastmaster, Ma'am Nurul Munawara. Ma'am, the screen is all yours.
Good morning, everyone. My dear children, parents, guests, Toastmasters, district leaders, and the most importantly, organizing team of Ignite 2021. Greetings and very good morning from Central Hills of Sri Lanka. My dear children and parents, must be wondering what is Ignite 2021 and what is special in Ignite 2021. We know the students spread around the Sri Lanka, not only in cities, but even in rural part of Sri Lanka. But there are a lot of untapped talents we have across Sri Lanka. The format of 2021 is to harness the talents of untapped talents across Sri Lanka. This is your opportunity to come into this virtual platform and to show your talents and be a good leader in future. All it was possible because of this pandemic situation within very short period. We know we have very difficult situations. We come across very difficult situations because of this pandemic situation. But good things come out even at this difficult situation. This is one true example because already we had originally wanted to have district speech contest, but we were able to convert this to as an all-Island speech contest just because of this pandemic situation. So my dear children, you are very fortunate to get this opportunity and show your talents across Sri Lanka. All these were possible because of Toastmasters. How many of you have heard about Toastmasters? Maybe some of you, but not all. How many of you have heard about the Lions International? Yes, most of you. How many of you have heard about Rotary International? Yes, most of you. These are international organizations. Even the Toastmasters is an international organization, but with a little difference in their objective. Those organizations are social organizations focused on physical and economical needs of the people. But Toastmasters is an organization focusing on your development, your personal development, to take you from one step to another step in your career and in your life. So you must be wondering, what is this Toastmasters? Toastmasters is a non-profit international organization spread around 145 countries and serving 375,000 members through 70,000 clubs all around the world. And you must be wondering how the Toastmasters make a magic in yourself. Yes, you have the opportunity to witness the magic. Every Toastmaster who joined the Toastmasters movement will attend minimum 2 meetings for a month. The meeting formats are similar all around the world. And we have different speech slots. So you must be wondering whether only the speeches can make a difference. No, you have different opportunities to develop your leadership role. In the meeting, there are 8 different role players take part in the meeting. By taking each and every role, you can develop yourself. That is how Toastmaster groom yourself through the meeting. Through participating in this meeting, you will not listen to lectures, but you will put yourself in practice by delivering the speech and taking up different roles. By taking up different roles and delivering the speeches, and also you will learn to get the feedback of your speeches by fellow Toastmasters. If not for Toastmasters, all of us will be very reluctant to get the feedback, because always you wanted to get only the positive feedback of your speeches or for your attitude, whatever it is. But when you join the Toastmasters, you will see that you also wanted to have the constructive feedback to uplift yourself, to improve your speech, to improve your leadership. And also through the roles that you take part in the meeting, you will improve your listening skills. By preparing your speech, you will improve your writing skills. Always, the Toastmasters make a difference when they make a speech. Because before deliver the speech, they try to understand who are in the audience. So, my dear audience today, by joining Toastmasters, you will understand the audience. You will be accepting the feedback of the others. Not only that, you will understand to manage your time. And your role will not be limited to your club activities. There are so many leadership opportunities in Toastmasters. Beyond the club, we have area, we have division, we have district, and we have region, and we have Toastmasters World Headquarters. Each and every place, you get an opportunity to develop yourself, both in communication and leadership. Toastmasters, where leaders are made. The tagline of the Toastmasters is where leaders are made. My dear parents and the guests, so where Sri Lanka stands in Toastmasters? District 82 covers the entire clubs in Sri Lanka. At the moment, we have 157 clubs across Sri Lanka, from north to south, west to east, and the central part of Sri Lanka. And we are serving more than 3,500 members as at today. Not only that, when you attend the meeting, all of you will deliver your speeches based on the curriculum given by Toastmasters International. If you wanted to be a strategic leader, you can improve. If you want to be an innovative planner, yes, you have the opportunity. if you wanted to be an expert in presenting, you master your presentation, yes, you have the opportunity. So there are 11 paths that you can take up when you join the Toastmasters and improve yourself. This is a unique moment where it will improve yourself and it will take you from one step to the other step in your career, not only in your career, even in your lifestyle. So you must be wondering whether we have any international prominent figures in Sri Lanka? Yes. How many of you have heard about Dhananjay Hettiarachchi? He is one of the world champion of public speaking from Sri Lanka. And we have two past international presidents of Toastmasters International. First one, Dr. Dilip R. Abeysekara, who is a citizen of States, is from Colombo. And we have another past international president, distinguished Toastmaster Arunachalam Balraj. They led this movement from world headquarters of Toastmasters International. My dear friends, my dear children, bring out the champion within you. And you will become one day a world champion, or you will become one time an international president of Toastmasters International. This is your opportunity. Take this learning session of Ignite 2021 as a serious one and try to bring up your best today and tomorrow. This is an opportunity for us to spread the message of Toastmasters, word of Toastmasters as a household word of Sri Lanka. My best wishes to all the contestants and the organizing team of Ignite 2021. Toastmasters is a powerful organization which will make your life with U-turn, will make an impact in your career beyond your imaginations. Best wishes to everyone. Over to you, Master of Ceremony.